Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to reinstall Windows 11 without losing all of your data or files. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you're finding you're having problems with Windows 11, things aren't working, things are glitching, then it's a good idea to go and reinstall it. It may go solve the problem, but with this method in this video, you won't be losing all of your data, which is super useful. So let's go and get started. What you need to do is come to the bottom of your computer and click on the Windows Start button like so. Then all you need to do is go and click on Settings. The settings will go and open up. Now go over to the left and go and select System like this, and you need to go and scroll down, and you need to go and locate Recovery just here that says Reset Advanced Startup and go back. Now you want to come into Recovery Options. So then what you can do is you can go and click on Reset PC. It says choose to keep or remove your personal files, and then reinstall Windows. So click Reset PC. We'll go and get this pop up, and as you can see, we've got this option. Keep my files, removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files, which of course is what we want. So you can go and click that there because it's really easy to go and reinstall apps. All your data will still be there. Now what you can do is choose how you want to go and reinstall Windows. Whether it's a cloud download or a local reinstall, and then you can press next and things are going to go and start getting ready, and you can go and continue. It's a really easy process, so you can go and see here what's going to happen. Your post and files will be kept. All apps and programs will be removed, but of course they're super easy to go and download and install again. To press restart and continue.